All right, welcome to another episode from the Chart Reader. So I generally don't do a stock back to back. I like to say my videos are good for about a week. That's why we do look at the daily and the weekly. But look, if you ask, I swear the best thing you can do is ask, because I really do try to say yes to just about all my viewers. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly cover GTII. A lot to talk about since I've made the last couple of videos, right? And I know this is a beautiful string of green candles. I know this is a good looking MACD, a good looking RSI, and some decent volume. But I'm here to just give you an honest opinion about why I'm completely not sold yet, okay? Just like I said, if you disagree with what I gotta say, I'm not gonna get offended. Throw it in the comments. I'm not gonna be some like hater that just like bashes you. Like your opinions might be better than mine, and for real, I'd love to hear them. But I'm at least gonna tell you why I am not just 100% sold yet, and why I need tomorrow to really deliver, okay? With that said, I don't think we're going to look at the weekly. I think we're just really going to talk about the daily because, like I said, tomorrow's what matters the most. Just in case you're new here, I have my 5 moving averages. These never change. There are no horizontal. Oh, there's one right here. There is a horizontal support and resistance line up here. This one's a resistance line, obviously, since it's up there. And then when we're done up here, we'll use the MACD, RSI, and volume as our lower indicators. Hey, again, if you can please like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever. It really does do well with the YouTube algos. But like, even if you don't, just again, thank you so much for watching this, okay? So let's get into the details. And again, we're just talking about the daily here. Look, when I last made the video, I talked about the difficulty I expected to get over these 2 lines. The stock decided to give me the middle finger and say, here's what I think about your 2 lines, right? And this is a beautiful, no hesitation, no questions about it candle. I love it. It clearly says, look, I've broken the 8, I've broken the 100, I'm over both. Let's go. Let's get over all 5 and let's run. However, this is the first day that it's broken the 2 lines. And I always say, look, if we break just 1 line, I need good confirmation. If we're going to break 2 lines, I need great confirmation, okay? And what I never, ever consider confirmation is a doji. Now, this isn't a horrible doji, right? Sometimes literally the body is just a straight line. There's like a little bit more there, but again, this doesn't count. And look, this is a doji as well. It got over the line, but again, failed to confirm, right? So I legit need tomorrow. And look, I don't need silly confirmation tomorrow. Let's literally just go just a little bit higher, but give me a candle that looks like this. Not one that looks like this. I'm okay with a little bit of a wick. I don't necessarily need a full candle, but this tell me the market thought it was going to go up. The market thought it was going to go down. The market said, you know what, let me just kind of stay where we opened and let's see what tomorrow brings, okay? I like that the 20's going up. I like that the 8's going up, but I'm telling you, and I'm going to go back to it one more time. HUSA, okay, I'm just zooming out till about here. You can see all the lines start, and then right here, all 5 are here. There were moments where it looked like it was down. There were moments it looked like up. At the end of the day, it comes back until it violently confirms down, right? We're obviously hoping for a violent confirm up, but I'm telling you, I need a little bit more. However, like we are on the cusp of really believing we could come to 3 something, right? I think this for sure is the next target, 270, right? From there, this would be it, maybe even this, right? I mean, I'm telling you, there's so much good that can come here, but you gotta know that you're actually out of these moving clusters, okay? So there's not too much more I have to say. This really is the same thing you'll hear me say across any stock, across any of my videos. I hate moving average clusters. You never can count a doji as a confirmation. If you're going to break 2 moving averages on a single day, I need super confirmation. I at least need good confirmation, right? So all those things together, I'm not 100% sold yet. Look, again, MACD looks good. I like the divergence. I like that this green line looks like it wants to keep going and this thing wants to stay down. I like that the RSI is kind of trying to peak the same thing. That's a high RSI number though. okay? When we get close to 80, that generally tells me, oops, did I just zoom in on the numbers? Oh, shit, I didn't know we can do that. Okay, cool. Sorry. 76 is a high number. 80 is where I generally start waving the flag of like, hey, this thing might need to cool down. Oh man, look at that. We've had a very high, we've had 90 RSIs. As I look, we've been in the 86s, 80, 80, 86, 90, 80. Okay, we've seen 75 to 90, so maybe this could still go up a little more. I think that really goes with why I don't think we're out of this yet. Maybe we'll come. I don't think we're going to go above 245. All right. I'll be real honest with you guys. I don't think we're hitting 270 just yet. I really want to see if we bounce on this 100 moving average. I think what's going to happen is we're going to get one more thing that maybe comes. Man, I don't even know if we're going to break 240. I'm not sure if we're taking 50% candle. I'll be real honest. I'm not trying to be a hater. I swear I'm not. All right. But I don't like this 76 RSI. If we cross that, again, I just don't think we're coming to that. What I'm really curious about, we have not yet, have we bounced on this 100 ever? I mean, I guess a little bit here, but look, we go over it, we definitely lose it. It's definitely a little bit of a resistance, We've now broken it. I think the real question is, can we bounce on the 100 and go up from there? Okay, that's just my 2 cents. And look, if that was to happen, it seems like it'll be a point where almost all three of these are going to like touch almost to the penny around 174, 175. All right. I think, let me go to the weekly before I say I think. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sticking with it. And again, here's that 240 number that I just said. I think 240 is going to be a bit of a resistance. There's so much happening on the weekly right here, right? It last week by, oh man, this is a real interesting and tight chart. But again, I hate horizontal clusters. I'm not here saying that I'm perfect and all knowing. Like, this is what makes these clusters hard. But yeah, I'm sticking with what I'm saying. I think 240, was that this one? Yeah, I think 240 is going to be a little hard to break. I think that'll bring us back down. And I think the way this thing reacts to the 100 moving average will be really important. Okay, I spent a little more time on this than I expected, but hey, these are just my opinions. I really hope I hope you find them useful. I appreciate you even watching these, all right? From there, let me know if you disagree. I swear I'm not going to be a hater or get offended, okay? Thank you.